Good evening everyone. I am Richa from Cambridge Montessori Preschool, Thane. Today I welcome you all and I am here with a new activity for our little one. So today we are going to play a treasure hunt game. Simultaneously, we are going to give them many new words which they are going to learn and they are going to explore their own house. Alright? So for this game, we can play this game in two parts, in two ways. So first of all, what we'll do, I made these small chits with alphabets. It is letter A and it is small letter A. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to make such small chits with different letters. Like this is letter B and small letter B. And we have to hide these letters in different places. Like somewhere capital letter A and somewhere else we have to hide small letter A. And what we have to do, we have to ask to our child to search these letters and match with them. So they have to search letter A, capital letter A first and then or small letter A, and then they have to go and search same letter. Okay, you can hide it anywhere in your house which is in their range. So this thing we have to do with all the letters. Okay, and when we will complete this stage, next day what we can do, we have to choose any one letter at a time and we have to make sure that related to that letter we should put few things, few objects which start with letter A in our house. Maybe it could be from their toys, it could be in our kitchen or in our fridge or anywhere in the house. They have to explore the whole house to search related objects with this letter. So when I choose letter A and I explore my house, so see what I got. Okay. So first of all, I got this zoom aeroplane. I got this aeroplane. Then I have to search more objects. So I went to my kitchen and what I have got? What is this? Yes, this is apple. A for apple. And again, I wanted to search some more objects. So I went to my child's room and I explored their toys box. So wow, what I got? Oh, lovely. I got this beautiful apron. Look, isn't it beautiful? So A for apron. Okay, then I got three objects which start with letter A. So now I took letter B. Again I have to explore my whole house to get objects which start with letter B. So I was wandering here and there in my kitchen, in my room, in my drawing room. What I got? Oh, I got this beautiful butterfly. This is a magnetic butterfly and it was on my fridge. So I got this letter B butterfly. Butterfly. And then I got some beautiful blocks. Blocks. And then I got a box. And again I was done, but again when I was searching I got this ball also. Okay, so this way we have to do this treasure hunt game. One by one we can go ahead and give them more alphabets to them and they will search such things. Let them, maybe initially we have to help them, we have to give them little hint where they can search, because this game will be a new game for them. So initially we have to give them little hints, but later age I'm sure they will be able to play this game with full of energy and definitely they are going to enjoy this game. The same thing, when I was exploring, I got some letter C objects also in my fridge. Oh, this is cabbage. Cabbage start with letter C. Cabbage. And then I got this zoom, zoom. This is car. I got this car. Car start with letter C. So this is the way we have to play this treasure hunt game. And every single day we can play with 1 or 2 letters and they can explore their house. They are seeing these things every day, but they are not connecting these things with their alphabets. So this way they will think and they will connect these things with their curriculum, with their alphabets which we are using. Okay, so I'm sure the kids will enjoy this treasure hunt game and explore every single day. They will explore new words and new objects in their house. So thank you so much everyone.